Pride Adventure 103, Salt Lake City. We just arrived from San Diego. We are walking over to meet Vivi, our goddaughter, godsister, for a Salt Lake City adventure. Let's hope we arrive before she did and she's not standing there wondering where we are. There she is. She's arrived.
My mom says my trip, so I put the water. And you let me have what?
They're negotiating who carries what.
I have a whole bag. Oh yeah, a whole bag. The solar eclipse, I think.
Yeah, 1028. It's supposed to be a solar eclipse.
Got it.
We're in downtown Salt Lake. We're catching the front runner down to Provo.
Wait. Now we down. Stop.
All right, Lehigh Station. The adventure begins. Weston has tried to put the same pair of pants on
5 times.
5 times and failed each time. How do you feel about the first 3 miles of your prior adventure?
First of all, good, because I love bike riding. Second of all, disappointed because we haven't seen a fuzzball. And third of all, your hair's sticking out.
My hair's sticking out? My hair always sticks out. That's my deal. You reacted much better than Weston. All right, 5 miles in. What do you guys think? How many temples can you see?
3.
All right, we're playing Spot the Temple. This is temple number 5. The goal is to see more temples than miles biked. Yeah! We've decided we're heading to IKEA for meatballs and lingonberries. Guest prior adventure, tell us how you're dealing with your hardships.
They hurt.
They hurt? And how are you dealing with that?
Trying not to do that much stuff with my arm.
Yeah. You know they're going to end in half an hour, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're in control?
Almost fit me. I'll go in the
Where'd you find him?
on the grass. Or probably someone else's. And I'm okay.
I don't think anyone's here. You know we're going to lose those before you grow into them. Come on. Who are you kidding?
We already sacrificed our one thing, Vivi's gloves.
I know. We sacrificed our one devotional. It's one per day, though. So what are we sacrificing tomorrow?
Weston.
Weston. We're going to leave Weston tomorrow.
You're true.
Be careful. We turned the corner, and Vivi was coming out of a giant hole. We don't know what she was doing.
There's one thing you can see. That's because they
Vivi is sharing with Weston how to read a river. Apparently, Vivi is a whitewater guide in her free time. And we're going to watch Weston jump into the Jordan River. Okay, 20 miles plus 2. We have arrived at our hotel. What do the prior adventures have to say? Good. Good? How's your butt?
hard.
You wish you'd wore your butt is hard or your...
Mine's fine. Mine's fine.
You're fine? What else hurts? Tell me what hurts. Your head hurts? Your body hurts?
My head itches.
Your head itches?
Nothing for me, really.
How's your cut? How's your arm? How's your brain?
I cut my arm.
No meltdowns?
I don't even know.
Couple injuries?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. All right, what's happening?
I used to get an electric scooter.
Yeah, we doing an electric scooter? Do we go like a mile? All right. We traveled to Japan from South Jordan.
That's actually
Pretty good? 7 a.m. Sunday.
7 a.m. Sunday.
45 degrees.
45 degrees.
20 miles to go.
20 miles to go. Weston
we do it?
farted.
Weston farted.
I farted.
I have a thermal sensor.
I have a sensor. Dogs have a thermal sensor in theirs. And they can also sense your heartbeat, and they slow it and they can slow their heartbeat to match yours.
Vivi is doing a lot of educating this weekend. Weston and I are learning a lot.
I watch a lot of nature documentaries.
Yeah, we read Ranger Rick. That's good for something. All right, on the road, day 2. Looking good. Sunday in Salt Lake City, nothing is open. All the healthy food is closed, so we're eating Wendy's. Not super excited about it, but the kids are. Almost 11 miles in. Well done, guys.
I like toilet. Toilet?
We've done 12 miles, 8 miles to go. They're demanding to give up the phone for podcasts.
House is downtown Salt Lake.
It's also not a top for
Oh, yeah. I don't want to.
You're welcome to stay.
You got
but if
you got
have to
places
go,
to be.
that's okay.
All right, that was hilarious. We just walked into this nature center. The kids went in ahead of me, joined a prayer circle, an art circle. Apparently, it was an all-day art event that was just starting.
Yep.
So we had to explain that we weren't there for a 4-hour art event. We have 4 miles to go. Prior Adventure 103. What do you guys think? Tired? 1.1 miles. All right, so how does it feel to be finishing your first journey-based prior adventure?
Tired.
Tired? It's a tough one. We're not really done yet. So we're done with the hard part. Look, Salt Lake City. 13 temples, 17 peas, 45 miles. 1 goddaughter. Prior Adventure 103. Not in the bag yet. Alright, we had a tough end. Vivi's arm started to really hurt. Everyone's tired. We're now limping our way. Weston's not tired, sorry. Vivi and I are tired. We're limping our way to the train station to take the quick train to the airport to leave. So we calling this done? We're trying to end this adventure for 2 hours. At the end of every prior adventure, what do we say, Weston?
Prior Adventure in the bag. Prior Adventure 103. Jordan Jubilee in the bag.
Nice!
In the bag.